In 1 minute, we'll enable real-time web search in LM Studio using MCP server. Prerequisites: Python 3.9 plus, Git, LM Studio installed, and MCP repo access. Clone the MCP repository by saying git clone https://github.com/yourorg/mcpserver.git. Install dependencies with pip install -requirements by speaking pip install or requirements.txt. Start the MCP server using python-mcp.server --config-config.yaml. Verify server health by opening http://localhost:8000/health in a browser. Open LM Studio and navigate to Settings, then Integrations. Edit the config to set web_search true and set mcp_server_URL to http://localhost:8000. Save settings and restart LM Studio to apply the integration changes now. Run a test query such as search web for latest AI news and execute it. Watch MCP server log show the forwarded request and external fetch completed successfully. Checklist final: MCP repository, config.yaml with MCP server URL, web_search true, and MCP running.